Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones LG Tone Free Fit on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write LG Tone Free. Now search and you should install this application. Agree and proceed. Oh, and allow here, allow again, confirm, agree, confirm, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!